Modern military helicopters boast many characteristics: combat power, maneuverability, speed, among others. But sometimes, for the production of a helicopter, companies need to spend a round sum of money. Today, we have prepared for you a rating of the 10 most expensive military helicopters in the world. Augusta-Westland AW101. The AW101 medium-lift helicopter is manufactured by Augusta-Westland International, formerly EH Industries. The EH101 helicopter program has been developed for both civil and military applications. Produced for $21 million, this helicopter is built for more than just combat and law enforcement. It is able to accommodate 30 people on board. The military version is in service with the UK Royal Air Force, the UK Royal Navy, Canadian Armed Forces for search and rescue, and the Italian Navy in anti-submarine, airborne early warning, utility, and amphibious support roles. Industries NH90. The NH Industries NH90 is a medium-sized twin-engine multi-role military helicopter. It was developed in response to NATO requirements for a battlefield helicopter which also had the capability of being operated in naval environments. The NH90 was developed and is manufactured by NH Industries. There are two main variants of the helicopter: Tactical Transport Helicopter, TTH, for use in the Army, and the Naval Helicopter of the NATO Frigate, NFH. The NH90 can carry on board 20 military or 2,500 kilograms of cargo. This helicopter, worth $24.3 million, is in service with the naval forces of France, the Netherlands, Oman, Spain, Sweden, and Belgium. Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engine tandem-rotor heavy-lift helicopter developed by American rotorcraft company Vertol and manufactured by Boeing Vertol. For more than 50 years, the helicopter has been carrying out its missions, being the longest functioning helicopter with a large payload. The CH-47 Chinook helicopter, with an initial cost of $25.1 million, can accommodate 34 passengers or a heavy load. Common SH-2G Super Sea Sprite. The Common SH-2G Super Sea Sprite is an American ship-based helicopter with an anti-submarine and anti-surface threat capability, including over-the-horizon targeting. This helicopter, worth $26 million, was created in 1980 for the needs of the U.S. Navy. The SH-2G's primary missions include anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, anti-ship missile defense, and anti-ship surveillance and targeting. Secondary missions may include medical evacuation, search and rescue, personnel and cargo transfer, as well as small boat interdiction, amphibious assault air support, gunfire spotting, mine detection, and battle damage assessment. Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk. The Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk multi-mission helicopter replaces the SH-60B and SH-60F helicopters in the U.S. Navy's fleet and combines the capabilities of these aircraft. The helicopter is equipped for a range of missions, including anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue, naval gunfire support, surveillance, communications relay, logistics support, and personnel transfer and vertical replenishment. The helicopter is fitted with a 2,721.55 kilograms, 6,000 pounds cargo hook for vertical replenishment missions. Seahawk MN-60R, one of the most expensive helicopters in the world. Its cost is $28 million. Mi-35M. The Mi-35M is a multi-role combat helicopter manufactured by Rostvertol, a subsidiary of Russian helicopters. The helicopter integrated modern, high-precision weapons for destroying ground-based armored targets and providing air support for ground missions. The Mi-35M is one of the modern combat helicopters in the Russian Air Force inventory. It is also operated by the armed forces of Venezuela, Brazil, Azerbaijan, Nigeria, Kazakhstan, and Mali. The cost of one such helicopter is $36 million. Sikorsky S-70B Seahawk. The S-70B Seahawk naval helicopter is manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft in Stratford, Connecticut. The helicopter is a development of the UH-60A Black Hawk U.S. Army helicopter. The Seahawk can travel up to 100 kilometers from the host ship and remain on station for several hours. The helicopter carries out all-weather surveillance, search and rescue, missile targeting, anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare, and strike warfare. The helicopter weighs a little more than 6 tons, and its maximum takeoff weight is 9,926 kilograms. In addition to its cargo load, the S-70B can carry up to 12 passengers. Boeing AH-64 Apache. The Apache is a twin-engined Army attack helicopter developed by McDonnell Douglas, now Boeing. It entered service with the U.S. Army in 1984 and has been exported to Egypt, Greece, Israel, the Netherlands, Japan, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, UAE, and the UK. The U.S. Army has more than 800 Apaches in service, and more than 1,000 have been exported. The Apache was first used in combat in 1989 in the U.S. military action in Panama. It was used in Operation Desert Storm and has supported low-intensity and peacekeeping operations worldwide, including Turkey, Bosnia, and Kosovo. The cost of one Apache is $52 million. Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion. The Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion is a large, heavy-lift cargo helicopter currently being developed by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Marine Corps. The design features 3 7,500 SHP 5,590 kilowatts engines, new composite rotor blades, and a wider aircraft cabin than previous CH-53 variants. This is the largest and heaviest helicopter in the U.S. Army. Depending on its mission objectives, the helicopter can accommodate up to 55 people, or an equivalent amount of cargo in terms of space occupied. The cost of one helicopter CH-53K King Stallion is $65 million. Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey. The V-22 Osprey is a joint-service, medium-lift, multi-mission tilt-rotor aircraft developed by Boeing and Bell Helicopters. The aircraft operates as a helicopter when taking off and landing vertically. The nacelles rotate 90 degrees forward once airborne, converting the aircraft into a turboprop aircraft. The aircraft can provide vertical takeoff and landing with a payload of 24 troops, or 6,000 pounds of cargo at 430 kilometers combat range, or with a payload of 8,300 pounds of cargo for a range of 220 kilometers. $68 million is required for the production of one V-22 Osprey. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments which of the helicopters you liked the most. Also, click the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.